Okay, so I'm having a few companies from the consumption theme, which I feel are going to give a good return in the next, let's say, 6 months to 1 year. Okay, so firstly, I'm going to begin with Astral Pipes. Astral Pipes. Okay, so as you can see, this is mid to large cap company with a market cap of 56,000 crore at the point. So basically, from January 2022 up till now, this has given basically no returns, almost flattish, somewhat around 10%. So basically, this is the stage one where accumulation was somewhat happening in this share. So this is somewhat an accumulation zone. This was the first accumulation zone over here. From here, there is a base which is formed, as you can see, with higher lows. So firstly, this was the range where the share was locked in. Now this is the small range. As you can see here, the low, basically the support which was present at 1115 rupees has now been shifted up to somewhere over here. So this is the new support, and this over here is the resistance. And as you can see over here, the stock had broken out, but it is over here consolidating. It is absorbing all the excessive supply that is all the buyers that were trapped over here. So they are looking to sell off in this region. So basically, it is consolidating for now. So yeah, this is one share which can give a good up move as it is breaking out of this huge base forming from Jan 2022. Moving on to the fundamentals of the share. Uh, as you can see, the fundamentals are really good. The compounded profit growth from 5 years, 3 years, it's all really nice. So basically, as you can see, the trailing 12 months for Astral are, a lot more from this 470 to 490, 400. It was trapped around 400 crores to 470 crores. Now it has, increased a bit to 570. The compounded profit growth for the trailing 12 months is 46%. Plus, seeing on the capex side, companies expanding as always from March 22. The fixed assets have moved from 1500 crores to 2000 crores. So again, giving a positive sign. And nothing much from the FIIs and DIS side. I think it's more or less constant. So yeah, this is the first company. Second one is Havells. Okay, so similar picture with Havells. It has not. It has virtually given no returns from the September 21, where the markets had topped. So as you can see, this is the huge base which is formed. This was the base that is formed, and as you can see, there are higher lows. Firstly, the support was around 1024. Slowly, the support shifted to 1130. Slowly to 1236, and finally on 27th February it had broken out on of this channel. So yeah, this is also breaking out of a huge base, consolidation for around over 2 years. So yeah, this can also give a good return. Again, we can check the fundamentals for Havells as well. This is a slightly bigger company than Astral, market cap of around 1 lakh. Let's see. Again, the profits are locked in. They were going from the range of 1000 crores. Just now, we can say that sales have increased quite a lot from March 2021 quarter. I think around 80% increase in sales from 10,000 crores. It went up to 18,000 crores. But at the same time, the operating profit margin has fallen. It used to hover around 13 to 12% before COVID. Then it shot up to 15%, and then now it's back again to 10%. So similar thing had happened over here, and I'm quite optimistic the operating profit margins will go back to, let's say, the 13 to 15% band. that would give good growth to the net profit. Again, on the capex side, the fixed assets were around 3,200 crores, which have scaled up to 3,800 crores now. Plus, I think there was a news from Havells that it has gone into fittings. Let's just check it out. Havells. There was some news which had come out as well. Yeah, Havells is moving into kitchen applications. So yeah, I think this will boost growths in the future. Let's check from. So yeah, DIIs have gone from 7% to 10%. FIIs are more or less constant. Yeah, so this was Havells, and again another company from the consumption space is Pidilite. So again, similar story in Pidilite as well. It had made a top somewhere around again January 2022. It was locked into this area over here somewhat. It was locked in over here since more than over 3 years. The first support was at 2000. Then the support moved up to 2200s. It took support here multiple times and went up, and then again the support shifted. So this is forming a continuous higher low pattern. And over here, it has given a breakout. Over here, let's see. With good volumes again. So the volumes over here are really good. There is a volume pop up. So yeah, this is Pidilite again break trying to break out of a strong base. Let's check the fundamentals of Pidilite. Again, Pidilite is a large cap company. It is a part of the Nifty Next 50. Uh, I mean, this is just a consistent compounder company. No need to discuss about the fundamentals over here. Profits have grown from 300 crores in 1 year to around 100 1,200 crores. So over here, as you can see, the profits were hovering from 1,100 crores to 1,200 crores, but recently the profits have gone up a lot. They've moved to 1,700 crores. Firstly, due to the increase in operating profit margin, they were over here 19 to 17%. They've gone back up to the healthy 21%, 22% area. Lastly, the last quarter, which was the December quarter, had the best ever performance. The net profit is 511 crores over here, and again, very good operating margin at 24%. Tax percentage is also good. So yeah, Pidilite. Yes, again going towards the capex side, it was at 4,400 crores, the fixed asset, which have gone up significantly to 5,200 crores. So that is a huge increase in the capex side, from 4,000 to 5,200 crores. Plus, again, there is 271 crores of CWIP present as well. And again, DIs have increased stakes, FII is more or less constant. But yeah, number of shareholders have decreased a lot. I think people are, just bored with this share and they want to sell. So mostly once all the overhead supply is absorbed over here, maybe this can again give a good run up from here. So yeah, these were the three shares. Let's just open all three of them. Pidilite, Astral, what was the other one? Havells. Yeah, these are the three companies or three shares that can give a good run up. All three coming from the consumption theme. Again, India is going to grow, so the consumption is just going to go up. More houses would be built. So yeah, thank you.